Do you want to make an invincible knife? The coolest one ever, actually. It's a military serrated knife. It is a serrated knife with serrades on there. I'll teach you how. It is basically invincible. It can do things like an apple, or a block of wood, even a 1-inch piece of PVC pipe. I have complete instructions coming for you right now. All right, here we go. So first we're gonna start off with 3 pieces of printer paper. I just used colored printer paper, I don't know. And then make sure they're all fit together really nicely. And then we're first gonna start by just folding it in half. So putting this edge to this edge. So just like that. And then just gotta kind of make sure the layers don't slip, so you just gotta make really precise and clean folds. Because if you make unclean folds, it'll kind of like mess up the blade. So then you're gonna kind of go like that, fold it in half again, fold it in like thirds from here. So I'll just do it. You put this edge into the center crease. So just put it into the center crease, just like this. Once you're done with that, crease sharply on all edges. Okay. And unfold these 2 last flaps. And kind of like, I don't know, kind of like almost fold it just a little bit over. Depends how thick you want your knife blade, but it's usually that thick. So just like that, about that width, like that. And then you can just keep on folding it. Just keep on folding, rolling over, fold, roll over, fold, roll over, fold. Now you take your scissors right here, cut off this little extra piece here. Okay, so once you've got your blade-ish done, more like flat piece of paper done, yeah, crease it on all edges. It's okay if you got a little bit here. It won't really matter if it. You probably actually just want to cut that off because it'll make the knife look better. Once you're done just fully trimming it up, you can grab some tape, and you basically just want to tape this so it's all sealed up just on the edge. So that's what I'm going to do. So I find it easier if you just fold it in half. Kind of start like that, just a little bit on this edge. Like put it super tight together and just go like that, and you got more than just wasting like tape like the other way. So you could do it any way, but I find this way easier. You could also leave just a little bit at the top because you're gonna make a little crease down here. You're actually just gonna be the blade like that. So once you get that, you gotta find my tape right there. And you can just tape it all the way down. Once you've got it all taped, you can move on to the next one. So now we're gonna make the serrades. So you could start like, I don't know, about maybe 2 inches up, 2.5, 3 inches up or so. And then you just start making your serrades by going slant, and then kind of slant and straight, and then you just keep on going like that for however long you want it. I usually make mine to like, I don't know, like maybe 10 or 11. I don't know, actually. Seriously, I don't know. So So just start making your serrades in the blade. So when you make the serrades in the blade, it's called you're making serrades in the spine of the blade. So you could do it on this side. You could actually put your blade on this side or on this side. I like to put it on this side. So once you get your serrades done, we can move to the next step. Yeah, serrades are mostly just going up, down for however long you want it, so. And there's my, we're just gonna do 2 more. There's the last one. For me, I like making my last one a little bit bigger. It just looks kind of cool, but you can do whatever you want, so. Okay, now once you got the serrades done, you could actually just make your blade however you want. I like going you could just flip it over like this. You could just start cutting. You could go like curved. I prefer going just straight like that. So once you get that done, then you could tape that edge up real quick. Once you got it taped, we can move on to the next step. Okay, so just tape it up like that. All taped up, so that's the blade. Now we're gonna move, I'm gonna set this aside out of there. And then now we're gonna make the handle. So just the handle is another piece of printer paper. You kind of just wanna, you could actually take your knife over here, just measure it up how big you want it. You could actually fold it in half first. This is how I find it easier, just to fold it in half. Make sure it's nice clean cuts. If you got nice clean cuts, then you can actually just start going like this. Just line it up like that. It doesn't really matter if it's overcut, because then you could either cut it off or you could just tape it and it'll be totally fine. For me, I'm probably just gonna cut just about that much off. Just like that. So once you get that done, you wanna tape it. And just try and tape it all the way up and try and tape it to the, just tape it. Tape it like that. So you got your handle now. Now we could start going. So you got your handle now. You could start going with the upper piece, like this one. I'm gonna do that one red. So you just fold it in half. Fold in half hot dog way. Just like that. fold again on the end, just like that. Fold again like that. And then you could make it smaller. I'm gonna make mine smaller because, well, it doesn't really matter if you make it smaller. You could just go like this and kind of do the same thing you did with this one. Unfold it and just kind of just go just a little bit over. Make me a crease. Okay, and once you get that, you can cut that off. You don't have, yeah, you cut it off and then, okay, then you go right under the first serrate. This is just to give it a little more bulk. And here you could just, if you want to start by first kind of curling it, just like that, curl. So it'll kind of wrap around super nice. Okay, once you get that, just put it up there. You don't need to tape it on here because once you wrap it around, then tape it at the end, it'll be good. So just tape, tape, tape. Mine looks like a Christmas tree with the red and green, so. And then you want to tape that at the end. You kind of want to make the piece of tape long because you want to make sure it connects to both of them. Here, and then mine did that, and if yours does, it's fine. You could just roll it back up. So then roll it all the way up, and then grab your piece of tape. Tape that on. Then you get your serrated knife. Serrated military or army knife. There you go. I hope you enjoyed folding this, your first army knife. As you can see here, I wrapped some twine around it for extra grip and cool looks. You could actually do anything with it. No matter what, it's gonna be the best knife you've ever made.